Hello everyone. Today I am here with greenhouse effect. So, what is greenhouse? First of all, you should know that a greenhouse is mostly a glass enclosure used in cold climates to grow plants. Glass allows light to enter the enclosure and the light energy heat the inside. The glass enclosure traps this heat and prevents it from escaping outside. So, the inside of the enclosure become warmer than the outside. So, an artificial climate is created inside the enclosure. So, whenever it is cold, that time we can make the environment proper for the growth of plant. So this is greenhouse and which help us to keep the heat inside this, which provide proper heat to the plant. The atmosphere of the earth behaves just like a greenhouse. Gases in the atmosphere, such as carbon dioxide, do what the roof of a greenhouse does. During the day, the sun shines through the atmosphere. The earth's surface warms up in the sunlight. As you know that during the daytime we feel very hot. At night, the earth's surface cools, releasing the heat back into the air. But some of the heat is trapped by the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. That is what keeps our earth warm. This is called greenhouse effect. So, atmosphere work like greenhouse for us, and due to that only we are able to survive on the earth. Because of this greenhouse effect, life is possible on the earth. The gases that are responsible for greenhouse effects are called greenhouse gases. Here in diagram you can see that during day when the sun's energy reaches the earth atmosphere, most of it goes right through, some bounces back into the space. In diagram clearly you can see it. And atmosphere containing greenhouse gases also, and these greenhouse gases keep the earth warm. Actually at night most of the sun's energy escapes back into the space, but some of it is trapped inside the atmosphere by the greenhouse gases and further warming the earth. This is the reason only we are able to survive on the earth. If the environment will not be there, then at night it will become very cold and it is very difficult for us to survive here. An increase in the amount of greenhouse gases in the air results in more heat being trapped in the atmosphere. It leads to an overall rise in the surface temperature of the earth. This is known as global warming. The temperature of the earth has increased by about 1 to 2 degrees Fahrenheit in the last 100 years, and it is increasing further. If the temperature keeps increasing, ice at the poles will melt and water level in the ocean will rise and large areas of the land will get flooded. There would be all panic all around us. So, it is very difficult if the earth will become hot and the temperature of earth will rise. So, we should stop population and increase of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. That's all for today. In next video we will discuss about greenhouse gases.